Everybody, it is time for our Mortgage Minute with our good friend and lender at Prosperity Home Mortgage, Tatiana Ivleva-Lopez. How are you?
Hey, Tatiana.
I'm doing well.
All
How are
right.
you guys?
Good. We missed you last week with the holidays, so we're excited to see what's happened over the last 2 weeks.
Yeah. How was the holidays? A lot of turkey?
A lot of turkey. And keep in mind, we had my mom all with us at his mother's house. And this is the funniest thing. His mom was backing her car down the driveway and backed her car into his Mercedes.
Oh no.
So we're driving around with some bright yellow tape on the bumper,
Yes.
keep it together until I get it fixed on Monday.
Very stylish. But
Yes.
we keep saying, you know what? We are very thankful that it was a car and not a pet or a human.
That's right.
Yeah, here you go.
How was yours?
It was good. A lot of turkey too, and didn't do too much, which was the goal.
Which means that you
Exactly.
spend every day out doing something really cool because she always
You always do cool things.
Yep.
Yeah, this time I was just relaxing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have a naughty hat or a nice hat?
It's a very small, nice hat.
We'll take it.
Teeny tiny. The rates they went down slightly to the lowest level in the past months, I guess.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
that's a good thing.
Yeah.
6.94% for conventional. Jumbo is at 6.78, just a little bit better. FHA 6.54. So just as a reminder, right here it says that those are average rates, and for scenario with 780 credit score and at least 40% down payment on
Yeah.
conventional financing. FHA, it's 3.5% down. You're gonna have about the same interest rate, but it of course is gonna vary depending on the credit score.
Yeah.
So I did quote someone at 6.375
wow.
recently, 6.125 for someone else. It all depends
wow.
on the
Was that
situation, on the
FHA?
loan amount.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Well, speaking of loan amounts, there was some news that just came out that the loan limits had increased. So what exactly does that mean, and how does that affect what we're looking at here?
Yeah, so they increase the rate, they change rates, they announce new limits every year at the end of the year, about this time of the year. So, with inflation rates, the limits, they increase the limits. And let's take a look. So we have there are a couple of different tiers of loan limits. We have conforming loan limit and we have high balance conforming loan limit, and then after that it's a jumbo. That's basically what it is. And on conforming loan limit, it went up from 766,550 to 806,500.
Okay.
It means that someone can get a mortgage with as little as 3% down payment on 806 and 500 loan amount.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the high balance loan limit, it went up to 1.209750 this year. Basically, it means that you can buy $273.5 million house, putting only 5% down. So when you go to high balance conforming limits on conventional loans, you need to put 5% down. And each limit, that's conforming and high balance, they have their little additional guidelines, some differences, like such as down payment, maybe minimum required credit score and such. But basically that's what it means. And this is conventional. FHA actually also followed the suit, and they their limit is as well up to 1.209750. So if you do an FHA loan, you put in only 3.5% down, you can basically get a house prices 253 and just pay 3.5% down payment and get FHA loan.
That's great. That's not a tiny thing. I
Yeah,
think
that's
that's
huge.
pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah. The same thing with VA, but the VA you can go higher than this. Is just
Yeah.
gonna have just like I said, some additional requirements, whether it's
Yeah.
conforming or high balance conforming. There's actually just mostly the interest rate adjustment when you go to high balance
Mhm.
versus conforming. There's gonna be adjustment in the interest rate. Rate goes up slightly.
Right.
yep. Okay.
Right.
But
Okay, but
yeah.
it keeps somebody from having to find like secondary financing for the down payment, like to meet it. That's good, because that's what we did with ours,
Yeah.
because the loan limits were lower, so we ended up getting a HELOC for a little bit, for the rest of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Creativity.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So
good.
I just also want to remind you that these limits are for 1 unit properties. So we can do up to 4, and with each additional added units, the limits going up. And this is in our metropolitan area. It all depends on the area. You go farther out from DC area, the limits are actually lower because cost of
Okay.
living is lower. So you just need to Google loan limits by counties. Fannie Mae posts them on their websites as well, so you can check it out.
Okay,
Okay, so it's by county. It's that's the region that each limit is counted by.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
by counties actually.
Okay.
So, but around our area, DC, Fairfax County, Prince William, Loudoun, Fauquier, I believe too. You just need to check it out, like Montgomery County for Maryland, um, everything that is
Mhm.
around DC, those are the limits. But
Okay.
farther out, they're gonna go down.
Okay. Very good. I didn't realize that they went up per unit. I knew you could get a 4 unit up to 4 units. I didn't realize that you got more on the limit based on units. So that's really good to know.
Yeah, is it it increases by the same increment for
No,
each unit?
it's different. I don't have that information
Okay.
right now in front of me, but I don't know how they calculate it. Honestly,
be-
it's I
Yeah.
think they look at median income and all that the good stuff. So,
Okay.
but yeah, definitely because it's more units, it's more expensive,
Right.
and that increases quite a bit actually.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Good to know.
Yeah,
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
you're
It
welcome.
was a great welcome back. We got a little bit
Yeah.
of good news, and then we got some bigger good
Some
news.
good information.
Some
That's really good.
good news. Yeah.
So buyers, get out there. You can now
Yes.
get more house with a lower down payment than you can.
And it's an opportunity for buyers right now. Sorry, we're beating our head against the wall with this, but anyway. Well, thank you. How does anybody get in touch with you if they want to find you?
Give me a call 571-245-3000.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you next week.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
All right. So any big plans this weekend?
Well, we're settling on Monday, so we're kind of like buying things, and we're gonna go and we need 2 king beds, so we're buying beds and stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay. I like that part. That's one of my favorite parts is the decorating of things. But
Yeah, it's a little bit stressful for me because I have to work.
yeah.
And I saw the house once, so I look at pictures
Yeah.
on Redfin, and I kind of like trying to figure out, because we did the home inspection and my husband went
Yeah.
and I told him take pictures, because I don't remember, they kept some stuff in there but not everything. So
Right.
whatever's on the pictures, not everything that in the house.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what we need, what not.
Oh.
Take pictures.
Yeah, I know. And because you can't unplug from work completely, you can't like just dive in and focus.
Yeah.
So
So I just realized, did we even record?
We better have. It was saying it was recording.
Did you turn? Did you Oh yeah, it is recording.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I started it. You
Oh my
scared me.
gosh. Because typically there's like red dot and I
Yeah.
didn't see it. So, but it's showing that it's still recording. Yeah.
It might have something to do with it being on our phone, because that's a little bit different, but,
No,
We
no,
got with
it is
our-
recording. It's recording. Yeah.
okay.
We got with our office manager, because you know, we were having Wi-Fi issues. And he said that they're getting a new company or something,
yeah,
or a
new
new server
carrier.
or what, he said, so another couple weeks, so that's another reason we thought, okay, well, let's use our phones with the hotspot for now.
Mhm.
And then hopefully get all that situated and worked out, but we're gonna try to up our YouTube game in 2025, so that should be,
Oh, nice.
Got a couple weeks to get ready.
we'll see. I don't know.
You know, I just got a thought because you are a really good decorator. So I will need your opinion on things.
I have a
She-
lot of them. I'm happy to, that was.
Please engage her so she like leaves our house alone. No, I'm just kidding.
Your
No,
house is beautiful.
She really does love it. Like when she's getting to do that kind of stuff, she gets really, her energy starts flowing. I love seeing her. in
Yeah,
this
I'm
stuff,
happy.
so.
You run anything you want by me, and yeah, that would be great. Have a good weekend. Let us know if you need anything.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Bye, guys.
So I like where that's located, so
Yeah.
let's leave it there, if that's okay.
Oh, because we have more to do.
We have Patricia coming in 30 minutes.
30 minutes. I was gonna